Hey everybody, it's your girl KturaKay and I'm here with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this everyday look. I know the eyeliner is a little dramatic, but that is my day to night version of it. So you'll see me apply the makeup, and then once I deepen out my eyes, that turns it more into a night look. So I am going to be using majority CoverGirl products, and all of these products I'm going to be using are under $10. So you can find them at your local drugstore, wherever they sell CoverGirl, you can find these products. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. Stay tuned for my giveaway that is coming up really soon. I know y'all are waiting. It is long overdue, but it is coming. So yeah, the longer you wait, the more stuff I accumulate and I want to give away. So let's get into the video. It's going to be pretty quick. I want to try to keep it nice and simple for you all, showing you all of the products that I use and how I achieve this look. So let's get started. So I am starting off with my brows, and I'm going to be using my CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and this is in the color Rich Brown. I actually compared this to MAC Spike Brow Pencil on my Instagram, and I did a poll and I asked, do you think it would work better than the MAC Spike Brow? And I'm using it right now here in this video, and it looks amazing. Like, it wasn't too harsh, the color wasn't too dark, and it just made my brows look a lot more natural. So I definitely think it's comparable, and it is under $10. So yay. So now I'm taking some concealer and I am going underneath my brows to define them a little bit more, and this concealer is the same color as my skin tone. So now I'm taking my Katy Kat palette in Hot and my Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighter, and I'm using that highlighter as a base. So it has a little shimmer in it, so I'm using it as my eyeshadow base, and this one is in the number 3. So now I'm taking my palette and I'm taking this really pretty gold color, and I am packing that on my lid, and now I'm taking the other color on the side, which is more of a rose gold color, and I am blending those together. So I'm packing those on. This palette is very pigmented. I was amazed, and it is also under $10 as well, like I said before. So I'm taking these two dark brown colors here at the bottom, and I am going in my crease with those two colors just to blend out for a natural transition, and it also gives your eyelid a little more definition and shape. So I'm loving this Katy Kat palette. So now I'm going to move on to my lashes, and I'm using my Peacock Flare waterproof mascara, and this really made my lashes a lot more volumized, and you see I got it on my face here, but hey, mistakes happen. But now I am taking my CoverGirl liquid liner, and this is in the color black, and they have numbers also, but this is the black one, and I am creating a perfect cat wing eyeliner. Now I'm taking my Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighter again, and this one is in the color 4, more of like a rusty gold color, and I am highlighting. Now I'm taking my favorite Katy Kat gloss, and this is my favorite color in Candy Cat. It's a really pretty pink, and I'm lining my lips with just a regular brown liner just for a little bit more definition there. Girl, I am feeling myself, honey. So now I'm taking a little bit of that brown shadow that I used in my transition, and I am placing that underneath my eyelid and my waterline just for a little more definition. Now I am taking my CoverGirl Look Lock Up All Day Setting Spray, and I'm finishing up the look. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every last one of you. Again, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos, and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye. When I was there, it was like $18. I think they went up to $18. I don't know. They probably have gone up now because it's been over a year since I resigned.